Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to log into Snapchat without verification code. We can't log into Snapchat without verification code, but we can do it easily by contacting Snapchat community. Let's see how to do it. First, you need to open your Google browser and now you need to search Snapchat contact in here. So now you need to go to this Snapchat support website in the top of all. After you come to this website, here you can see they tell us to submit a request. So now you need to tap on this I can't access my account option in here and select this I can't verify my email or phone number option after you submit your request. Then scroll down and tap on this yes button in here. Next, enter your Snapchat username, email and mobile number in here. In here, you should give them a clear explanation why your phone number cannot be verified. For an example, you need to give them a clear reason that you no longer have the phone number that was entered into your Snapchat, or you can send another any reason. After you fill these all details, then you just tap on this submit button. So after that, they will contact you within 1 or 2 days. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.